Creating a life plan might actually look difficult and challenging, but I promise you, it's a powerful tool that you can use to define your goals and map out steps to achieving them. So let me give you a step-by-step guide to help you create your very own life plan. Step 1, you need to reflect on your current situation. You see, it's important you start by identifying where you are right now. What are your current achievements? What are the things that you are very good at? What are your weaknesses? What are the areas of your life that you think require improvement? So I will advise you, get a notebook, something like this or better. Jot down your thoughts. And if you can do this, you have something to start with, because this assessment that would have taken place would be the foundation for preparing and creating that life plan that you're about to create. So you need to ask yourself a lot of questions. Questions like, what makes me happy? What are my core values? What do I enjoy doing? Understanding this aspect of your life will not only help you to create a very good plan, but we create a life plan that aligns with your true self. Step number 2, define your vision. It's okay that you have identified your current situation. The next thing is to define your vision. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years, 10 years, 15 years? What kind of person do you want to become? Visualize your ideal life in detail. This could include your career, your health, your relationships, your personal growth, your finance, and many more. So write down your vision in vivid detail. This vision that you have written will serve as your compass. It will guide you. It will show you towards your true north, a place, a direction that connects with your inner core, and definitely guiding you to your ultimate goals. Step number 3, set specific goals. It's important you understand your life plan must include SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, or realistic time-bound goals. So break down your vision into smaller achievable goals. For example, if your vision is to become a successful entrepreneur in the next 5, 10, 15 years, so your specific goal could be that you need to start your own business in the next year. So make sure your goals are clear and detailed. Instead of saying, I want to be healthy, you can say, I want to exercise 30 minutes 5 days a week. The more clear and specific you can be about your goals, the more focused and motivated you will be about achieving them. Step number 4, create an action plan. So this is where you break down your goals, your specific goals, into actionable steps. This is where you need to list out everything that you need to do to achieve each of your goals. And don't forget, you need to set the right deadlines for each of your goals. You know, there's something I learned recently. Somebody said, goals are very funny. They don't work except you walk them. So this is where you set up specific actionable steps that you must take, not me, you must take towards achieving each of your goals, and ensure that your goals have timeline, they have deadline. There shouldn't be any goal that you intend to achieve, maybe perhaps when you are dead. Let them take place while you are alive. So be specific. 6 months, 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days. Be specific with your goals. So let's take, for instance, that you have a goal of writing a book. Your action plan could be the steps that include the need for you to research and outline the book by the end of the month. And part of the actionable steps could require you to write a chapter a week. Things like that are examples of actionable plans. You need to create it. It brings your ideas, your goals from the clouds to the reality. Things you will do to make sure people can see the things in your mind that they can't see. Remember again, goals are funny. They don't work if you don't work them out. So when you have a detailed plan, what that does for you is that it ensures that you are making consistent progress towards your goals. Step number 5, monitor your progress. There is a need for you to regularly review your goals and your action plans to know how you are doing with each of your goals and each of your action steps. Are you making significant progress? Is there anything for you to correct, to adjust, to improve? Is there anything for you to take out so that you will not be hindered? You will not be frustrated. You will not be discouraged. You will not be prevented from achieving all your goals. So you need to keep monitoring on a regular basis the things that you are doing. You need to monitor your own progress. And this is where it gets interesting. As you are monitoring your progress, you notice improvement, celebrate. Celebrate each of your goals. This is what you could call small wins. As you make little or small wins, celebrate. Give yourself something that excites you, that rewards you. Reward your own effort. As you make significant progress along the path of your plans, you need to celebrate the progress and you need to celebrate yourself. So monitoring your own progress helps you to stay accountable and keep yourself motivated as you keep pushing towards achieving the ultimate goals. Step number 6, stay flexible and adaptable. Really, life could be unpredictable. Things don't always go the way we want them to be. So it's important that you are prepared to make adjustments, prepared for the unexpected, and being ready to do the needful, whatever happens along the path towards you accomplishing your own life plan. So for you to stay resilient on that journey of accomplishing your life plan, you need to be flexible and you need to be focused on your long-term vision. So how do you do all these? Stay flexible, stay adaptable. Don't be rigid. Don't tell yourself, this is how I planned it. I can't do otherwise. I can't go otherwise. Things can change. Life can change. People can change. Economy can change. Environment can change. Opportunities can change. Threats can change. So you must be willing to adapt and to be flexible. You created that life plan. You can adjust it. Don't adjust it to undermine your own progress. Adjust it to help yourself, to aid yourself, to aid your achievement of your goals. Now, hear this. Your life plan is a living document. It is your life plan. And your life is living. That means your life is subject to change and growth. So be open, be expectant that you can evolve. You can be a better person. You can be stronger. You can be more daring. You can be more bold. You can be more confident. So as you grow, as you change, as you evolve, make sure you adapt your life plans, your life goals to reflect your own growth and your own changes. So be adaptable, be flexible along the way. And there you have it. A simple, effective way to create your own life plan. So don't forget what we mentioned. You need to start by reflecting on your current situation. You need to define your vision. You need to set specific goals. You need to create an action plan, monitor your progress, and stay flexible and adaptable. By following these 6 steps, you can be sure you're on your way to living a purposeful and a fulfilling life. So that is it. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also share your thoughts and your experiences in the comments below. I would love to hear how you are planning your own life. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I want you to keep striving for greatness. I want you to watch this video if you want to learn 10 practical skills that we were never taught in school. You will need them, trust me.